What's going on, guys? Blacksea here with the Crypto Report. Today I got another video for you. I want to talk about crypto.com, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and I'm going to end it off with some Bitcoin. So guys, let's dive right in. So right now I'm looking at Cronos or Crow coin, and we're almost at about 13 cents. We're having a green day, but I think that today is going to be basically a trading sideways day, and I think the markets are going to basically be kind of quiet today until the FOMC meeting tomorrow. But let's dive into Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So we started coming down. I thought, well, that was the hype for the meme coins, but I was wrong. The meme coins always have a surprise around every corner because they're so easily manipulated. I know that some people don't want to hear that because it gives it like a bad connotation, but it's just a fact, really. We started to come back up on Dogecoin, and same with Shiba Inu. But Shiba Inu usually tails Dogecoin because, well, we know why. Because Elon Musk, he put out a tweet on Halloween and he put a Doge, a dog next to a pumpkin. And what does that do? Well, it pumps Dogecoin, and the remnants of the pump come to Shiba Inu. It's just crazy how easy these coins are getting pumped. And to be quite frank with you, kind of makes me think about holding on to some through the bear market just to trade it leading into the bull market. I think that there's a huge opportunity for an easy flip or an easy swing trade. That's not financial advice or anything. Do your own research and do what you think is best. But I think I'm going to play around with that because there's definitely a chance that the meme coins can just get wiped out, especially Dogecoin, where unless they change the white papers or change the coding behind it, it's a super inflationary coin. So the longer we go, the harder it will be to go up. The dollar dream will be harder and harder to obtain. But in the meantime, it still can pump what? Let's measure this out. How much did this pump up? What is that? 150% from the low when the hype started happening with the Twitter deal with Elon Musk. That's incredible, guys. I mean, can make huge money just trading that. It's insane. But let's head to over to Bitcoin because I want to show you some crazy things. Well, we were been talking about how we've been going to break out in the new monthly candle, and we did. And in the past 10 minutes, when I was looking at this chart, we've been going from green to red, green to red, green to red. It can't really make up its mind yet. And like I said, I think we're going to be trading basically sideways into tomorrow until we have this FOMC meeting. I think that's going to be a really make or break moment for a substantial period of time. If the Federal Reserve is dovish, I think we're going to have a great chance at a nice rally. And maybe when I say a nice rally, there's a good chance that we could get up to maybe even 40K in the next following months, as long as there isn't something ridiculous that happens. But if the Federal Reserve comes in and they're hawkish, I will say that there is a chance that the market will overreact because there's a lot of talk and rumors right now of a dovish Fed. And if that isn't the case, people are going to be panicking and we're going to have a retracement. I'm confident when I say that. The Federal Reserve kind of controls the markets. Everyone says, don't fight the Fed, and that's just a fact. Hopefully, you guys didn't learn the hard way when they started hiking the rates. But I also want to go over to this larger Bitcoin chart that I drew up, and this is just a fun chart to talk about and measure some moves leading up to the halvings and kind of predicting and more so guesstimating a ballpark of where a potential next bull run peak is for Bitcoin. And it's fun to talk about this because then you can kind of pull and extrapolate that information and put that towards some of these altcoins like Crow or Tectonic, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and you can kind of see, well, if if Bitcoin reaches this price, how high will this smaller market cap coin reach? Because, like I always say, Bitcoin is the tide. It raises all the boats. It's just how it is. But so here, these blue lines are the halvenings, and I want to measure some things here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's measure from the bottom of each bear market to the top. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. That's a 10,000% gain into the 2018 bull run. That's incredible. Okay, I do believe in diminishing returns But this is just fun to play around with. That's a 2,000% gain. That's insane. Let's just call it. Let's just say that this is the bottom. The 17K is the bottom. Let's just say that, and let's pull it up to, let's say, 600% maybe. Yeah, 600% would make sense. But a more accurate way to do this would probably be off of the tops, from top to top. 600%, even we'll be conservative and do 600%. If we have a 600% gain from the bottom of about 17K, that's a $113,000 Bitcoin, guys. Just take that in for a second and realize that could happen in the next 2 years easily. Because leading up to the halvenings, the 365 days leading up to the halvenings, we start to rally. The hype builds around the halvenings. And that's when I really think that the bull run starts. But let's measure from the top to top. That's might be a more accurate depiction. From top to top. That's about 1,200% gain. And let's go from the 2018 top to the most recent bull run top. Let me re-click that better. I don't want to drag my line. About 300% gain. But guys, this was a very interesting bull run peak. This was a trick to a lot of people, but you know what I say, guys, that's what the market does. It loves to trick. It's max pain is the name of the game. But let's go to 300%. If we get a 300% increase from the top, even if we get 150%, we're still at about 120K. Just think about that and extrapolate that data, and let's come over to crypto.com or Crowcoin. If Bitcoin reaches 110K, and we peaked out at about $1 when Bitcoin was 68K. If Bitcoin goes to 120K, that's a $3 crypto.com coin. And when I say reaching a 120K Bitcoin, I'm being conservative when I say that. I really believe and see that it could be much, much, much higher than that, guys. And let's look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I've been really looking into this because we are just in the accumulation phase. If we were to, so here's the next halvening where we were just showing you. If we were to hit the red band in the next halvening, which we usually do, we didn't quite reach there in the previous bull run. We reached what phase is this? They're having it as is this a bubble or FOMO intensifies? Let's just follow that band and say we're in past the next halvening. That's $350,000 Bitcoin, guys. $350,000 Bitcoin. If the market cap of Bitcoin reaches to the point where we're at 350K Bitcoin, well, these altcoins are going to fly. I just want to say, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like and subscribe, guys. If you'd like a free $4,100 in free trading bonus money, click our link below to Femex, sign up, and open a trade, and you can get up to $4,100 of free trading bonus. Well, thanks for staying, guys. Bye.